the largest habitat on Earth, just handed scientists 31 new names. Not from a reef, not from the seafloor. Reporting from a marine expedition off Brazil says the finds came from the midwater, the dark layer between sunlight above and the bottom below. That matters because the Middle Ocean is not a blank space on the map. Researchers describe it as most of the ocean's living room and also one of the least explored places on the planet. The survey was carried out from Falkor 2, a research vessel operated by the Schmidt Ocean Institute, after setting out from Salvador Bahia. In just 2 weeks, the team reported 31 possible new species. The count was not one monster. It was a swarm of categories: jellyfish, siphonophores, comb jellies, larvaceans, an amphipod, a fast gossamer worm, and giant rhizarians, single cells large enough to see. The reason the count moved so fast was technology. On board, scientists used prototype imaging, genetic analysis, taxonomic experts, and a spinning wheel confocal microscope nicknamed Squid. That microscope let them scan living three-dimensional cell structure on the ship, instead of waiting weeks for lab preparation. The ocean sample became a live evidence room. But the strangest part is scale. Many midwater animals rise at night and sink by day. That vertical commute helps move carbon through the sea. So this is not only a creature story. It is a blind spot story. A layer most people never see may help shape climate signals, food webs, and the ocean's memory. The source wording still matters. These are reported possible new species, not a final named catalog. Formal description takes time. But the image is already hard to shake. A ship above Brazil, a dark column below it, and 31 empty nameplates lighting up in the middle. The ocean did not give scientists one answer. It gave them a hidden room, a microscope called Squid, and a warning: the biggest habitat on Earth is still mostly unfiled.